Hey Cachers, Derek here at Baker 6 Clan. Today is Thanksgiving here in the US and we are going to be talking about what we are thankful for in geocaching.
I love caching with my family, and I'm really thankful for caches that take us to different locations around different cities that are historical or have historical value, or even tell us about unsung heroes, such as this cache here by the Tom Lee statue, a man who rescued 32 people from the river after a steamboat had capsized. Learning about people like this and other historical locations is always so much fun for a history buff like me.
Got it. I'm thankful for caches that are in or close to Bass Pro Shops.
Found it. I'm actually grateful for the caches that are quick and easy to grab, and the caches that are about Elvis, like TCB, taking care of business.
I'm thankful for caches that bring you to amazing places, like the grotto.
I am very thankful for the geocaching community. The people that have watched these videos, that have commented, those that have become patrons and have helped support the channel. I am very thankful for you guys. Another thing that I'm really grateful and thankful for is the gratitude of the geocaching community. And speaking of that, this coming Sunday from 4 to midnight Central Time, Geocache Talk Network is actually doing the Podcast of Hope. And this year, we are trying to raise $5,000 for St. Jude Hospital. And that's what's actually right behind me is actually St. Jude Hospital. I can't actually be on campus, but there is the St. Jude Hospital, Children's Hospital, where there are so many great things coming out of here. So join us this Sunday for Podcast of Hope. There's a link in the description where you can go and donate. Thank you so much for everything that you guys are doing. Thank you for watching. And just leave a comment down below, what are you thankful for in geocaching? All right, now, don't go anywhere. Check out one of these other videos just right over here and check out the story behind the cache.